What a great night it was. I have to go cook. Oh, look at the nature. Thanks God. What? No, 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 no. What's wrong? What's happening? Oh, I dreamed. Let me check it. Hello? Anyone is here? What's wrong with me? I'm sure I saw someone. Where is he go? He was just be here. I don't know. Oh, I think I was delusional. Come on, I have to make a fire. It is getting cold. What was that? Oh God, no! He's come back! No! Oh God, why is it repeated? Oh God, where is he? It was right here. Where has it gone? It was right behind this tree. I think I have a really mental problem. Oh God, no, I should not care. I have to use my lighter. Oh God, how cold. Yes! Hurry away from me! No! Oh God, I can't believe. I should not stay here. I gotta run. Oh God, anyone is here? Help me please. Oh God. No! Let me go! Oh God, why does he doing this? Oh dang it. No way. Where is he gone? Oh God, leave me alone. No! I have to get out of here. Oh, he disappeared. I gotta run. No, he's still chasing me. What do you want from me? Oh, he doesn't care about my fear. He is still coming. No! It was very close. I hope he doesn't find me. I gotta jump. Oh no! Why does it move like a shadow? Oh, holy moly. It's too high. No! I gotta run. I have to hide here. Oh God, he's coming. He's coming. He's following me. Oh God, please. I gotta hide here. Shh, please don't see me. Go. Holy moly. Why doesn't he live here? Oh God, go please. I have to do something. Oh, please don't see me. Oh God, he won't let me go. I think he doesn't want to let me go. I have to go inside. I don't know where it is. Oh God, where is he? Shh. Maybe he's here. No. What was that? No. Oh God. No way. Where is he gone? He was here just now. I have to be calm. Oh, dang it. He was like a shadow. Oh, he is still looking for me. He hides like a ghost. No way! What do you want from me? You're a psycho killer. I gotta run. He's everywhere. I don't know how to escape from him. God, help me please. I have to do something. He's coming. Oh God, I might fall. It's too high. Please go from here. Oh, look at the high. I have to get out of here somehow. Oh, look at his knife. I should do something. I have to hit him with a brick. Yeah. I come for you, Jigsaw. This is your last day of your life. It's time. Goodbye, Jigsaw. Oh, he's dying. Where is he gone? Oh God. I gotta run. I have to get out of here so fast. Oh God. Help me please. Oh, where is he gone? No way. He's alive. No.